Hello social media friends, I am Jitsi Vasquez with DRB Media Communications Digital News, and Danny Barrera has the story.
This morning we issued a declaration of disaster here in Ector County, specifically as it relates to the Permian Basin Containers fire in the 8100 block of North County Road West here in Odessa, Texas. We have submitted the proper documentation to the Office of the Governor and the Office of the Texas Department of Emergency Management. We have submitted those requests, notified all parties involved that we have a reason to believe that constituents' health, safety, and their property are all in question. And so we believe it is in the best interest of our citizens that we issue this declaration of disaster. That way we unlock all the resources that the state may have. That way they can come out here and provide the assurance to the citizens that live in the surrounding area that in fact their air is clean, their water is clean, and that the conditions in which they will be living in will go back to how they were prior to the original fire back in July.
What we're trying to do right now is to identify the full scope of who may be affected. So for my portion, what I want to do is I want to ask anybody that was affected by this incident to please contact us at 498-4013. From there, we will gather your name, your address, contact information, and then we'll follow up with an in-person visit to learn the extent of how you may have been affected.
Micah Hancock, who has a residence close to the container company, had evacuated her home and lives in a camper with her daughter and mother. The family has been affected by the bad smell that is causing health issues.
It smells so bad. The inside of the house, since no one's been there, I guess it just comes up through the vents or something. I'm not sure, but it smells very bad. When you go over there, like within 10 minutes, you start getting a really bad headache, and the smell dries your mouth out. It's a weird thing, like your whole mouth feels just dry, and it's been like that forever. Then just nausea, like you start feeling really, really sick and dizzy, and so you have to leave.
If you have health issues due to the container fire, call 432-498-4013. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Danny Barrera.
Thank you for following us on Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, Instagram, and on YouTube. Visit our website, DRB Media Communications Digital News.tv. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, I'm Jitsi Vasquez.